Everything we build begins with connection. We create the technologies that hold industries together. Across Australia, New Zealand, India, and Malaysia, our strength comes from working as one. We've grown into 6 respected companies, 5 leading brands, and breakthrough chemical technologies trusted across industries. With end-to-end capability, everything connects. Research, testing, manufacturing and delivery under one umbrella. We're driven by performance, united as a team, and built on trust. We protect what matters: our people, our partners, and the planet. Our journey has pushed boundaries, expanded capability, and set new industry standards. And now, our next chapter brings us together like never before. Introducing CohesiveTec. From science to solution, where trust meets technology. Together, we're shaping a stronger world, simply, safely, sustainably.